How to get voice changer for PC and laptop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and search Clownfish Voice Changer. Click on the first link that pops up. In here, click on download. Then download according to your laptop. After you have done that, simply install it. After everything is installed, simply click on Clownfish Voice Changer. Then click on Setup. In Setup, click on System Integration and select the microphone you want to use for Voice Changer. After you have done that, simply open any website you want to use Voice Changer in. Go to Audio Settings. In Audio Settings, make sure you choose the same microphone you chose earlier in Voice Changer. After you have done that, again click on Voice Changer and click on Set Voice Changer. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. From here, you can choose anything you want. There are many options. Simply click on it and your voice will be changed at that. And this is how to get Voice Changer for PC and laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.